In this video, we want to look at one more 5-mark question, coenzyme and their classification. This coenzyme is also known as co-substrate or secondary substrate because it is involved in that enzymatic reaction. Coenzymes are small non-protein molecules and have metal ions directly involved in substrate binding and catalytic reaction. How we will define it is a small non-protein molecules and have metal ions directly involved in substrate binding and catalytic reaction. If take one example, lactate is converted into pyruvate, presence of lactase dehydrogenase enzyme. Simultaneously, reduction reaction will occur. That means NAD is converted into NADH2. NAD as a coenzyme also takes place in this reaction. This one is a mnemonic. These coenzymes are non-protein, organic, low molecular weight, dialysable, that means separatable molecules associated with enzyme action. So it is a non-protein, organic, low molecular weight, dialysable molecules associated with enzyme action. That reason only we are calling this one is a co-substrate or secondary substrate. Now we will discuss that classification of coenzyme. It is classified based on the precursor and group transfer and metal ions. They are classified into 3 categories. First one is precursor. This one have 2 types. Coenzyme derived from B complex and non-B complex. B complex means B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9 and B12. First coenzyme in B complex precursor group B1. B1 means thiamine. This one is the B1, vitamin B1 thiamine. The coenzyme form thiamine pyrophosphate. This thiamine pyrophosphate are involved in transfer of aldehyde or keto group. Example of enzyme transketolase. It is in HMP strand. So precursor, based on the precursor, they classified into 2 type of coenzyme. First one is B complex based, second one is non-B complex based coenzyme. B complex based coenzyme, first one is thiamine. The coenzyme form thiamine pyrophosphate. It involved in transfer of aldehyde or keto group. Example of enzyme transketolase. It is in HMP strand. Second B complex, second one B2, riboflavin. That coenzyme form FMN and FAD. Flavin adenine dinucleotide, flavin mononucleotide. These are involved in oxidation reduction reaction or transfer of hydrogen atom. These both FMN and FAD involved in oxidation reduction reaction or transfer of hydrogen ion. FMN example amino acid oxidase. FAD example succinate dehydrogenase. Third one is B3 niacin NAD plus NADP plus. This one is the coenzyme form. Example lactate dehydrogenase, alcohol dehydrogenase, pyruvate dehydrogenase. Next, B complex molecule B5. That coenzyme form CoA. This CoA involved in transfer of acyl group. Example pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. B5 coenzyme form CoA. This coenzyme A, this one involved in transfer of acyl group. Next one is B6. The coenzyme form pyridoxal phosphate. This one involved in transamination reaction. Example SGOT, SGPT. B6 pyridoxine. This one coenzyme form is pyridoxal phosphate. This one involved in transamination reaction. Example SGOT and SGBT. Next B complex B7. B7 means biotin. That coenzyme form biocysteine. It involved in carboxylation reaction. This carboxylation reaction required ATP, biotin and carbon dioxide. B7 biotin, that coenzyme form biocysteine. This biocysteine involved in carboxylation reaction. This carboxylation reaction required ATP, biotin and carbon dioxide. Next one B9 folate, coenzyme form tetrahydrofolate. This one is the coenzyme form. This one involved in transfer of one carbon atom in various reactions. Next B complex final one B12 cyanocobalamin, adenosyl B12 or methyl B12. These two are coenzyme form. Adenosyl B12 involved in isolation reaction. Example methyl malonate CoA mutase. Then methyl B12 methionine synthase. It involved in methionine synthase. Second classification, that coenzyme form non-B complex coenzyme. First one is CDP. It involved in transfer of choline and ethanolamine. Second one is ATP. It is responsible for transfer of phosphate, transfer of AMP, transfer of adenosine, etc. Third one is phosphoadenosine phosphosulfate. It is active sulfate involved in synthesis of mucopolysaccharide. Next one is uridine diphosphate, responsible for transfer of glucose and galactose and important in glycogen synthesis. Final one is S-adenosyl methionine. This one important in transmethylation reaction. So these are the 5 comes under non-B complex coenzyme. Mnemonic campus, M silent campus. CTP, ATP, that phosphoadenosine phosphosulfate, uridine diphosphate, S-adenosyl methionine. Next group based on the group transfer. This FMN, FAD, NAD, NADP and one more coenzyme Q. These 3 molecules involved in group transfer. That means oxidation reduction reaction or hydrogen transfer. These 3 things only involved in oxidation reduction reaction or group transfer. Third classification based on metal ions. Some metals ion act as a cofactor include zinc. Zinc is important ion because more than 300 enzymes containing zinc. So it is called as metalloenzyme. Example of zinc: alcohol dehydrogenase, RNA polymerase, carboxypeptidase. Second one is copper, presented in cytochrome oxidase tyrosinase. Third one is selenium. It presented in glutathione peroxidase. Final one is molybdenum presented in xanthine oxidase. So in this video we discussed what is coenzyme. It is a non-protein organic low molecular weight dialysable molecule associated with enzyme action. Classification based on the precursor group transfer and metal ions. This one further classified into B complex and non-B complex coenzyme. B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9. Final one is B12. Then non-B complex coenzyme molecules 5. Mnemonic campus, CTP, ATP, PAPS, UTP, SAM. Then groove transfer, that FMN, FAD, NAD and NADP and coenzyme Q. These three are involved in groove transfer, that means oxidation reduction or hydrogen transfer. Final one is metal ions. Metal ion examples zinc, copper, selenium and molybdenum. This is about coenzyme and their classification. Thanks for watching.